Hi everybody. Today I am going to shut off my new fire alarm that I got today for my birthday. And also put it out. I have a new pole station too. It does Simplex. Hold on. It doesn't say the brand, but it's a Simplex adjustable T-bar pole station. So you can see here. Anyway, so I need to reset it. So there's the keys. Alright. And we're gonna reset this pole station with my game L key because it works with this pole station. Luckily. So yeah, you press in and you pull down. So then if you want to do fire drill mode, you do this. So it's like this. You set, you go, and it's fire drill mode. So there. So yeah, this is special to me because it's kind of rare. I don't think they sell them in stores anymore. Just saying. It's a really old version of a real AS. Luckily I have it. So here we go. Test this. There we go. And we're gonna get the red one. Attach that one to this. And the black one. So, there you go. So that, everybody, was my new Relic AS I got for my birthday. Yeah. I'm so happy I got this Relic AS. Yeah. The back of it. This is the back of it. Yeah. It's a really cool fire alarm. I'm so happy to have it. If you're wondering where my other fire alarms are, yeah, that, should I say, those are right here. So, anyways, that was my system test of my Relic AS and my show off with my Simplex pole station. My first Simplex pole station. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm so happy.